Some think the summer is slow at Bowling Green State University when there's not many students around, but guess what? There are hundreds and hundreds of individuals that are working all summer long, 24/7, to make sure the campus is clean, safe, and most importantly, ready for our newest students who are coming in this fall and our returning students. So, on this month's Rogers Report, we're going to talk to some of those folks, and I hope we don't get in their way. I'm with Joel and Colby here. Joel is the supervisor for grounds. So Joel, tell me a little bit about what the summer's like at Bowling Green.
Summer's busy around here. We've got about 1,100 acres on campus, probably about 350 to 400 acres of mowable grass.
Is there anything I can do to help?
We can get you on this John Deere.
You think I can learn how to do that?
Sure you can. Anybody can do it.
All right, well, we'll find that out, won't we? Okay, ready? I hear this from alums all the time that return to campus about how great this campus looks, and certainly our new students and prospective students, and most importantly, our current students. So here we are at the Maurer Center, the new home of the College of Business. We are actually on site here, and so Jason, you were telling me we're needing to spread and butter.
We're going to spread the wall with the mortar and then install the brick to the line. We'll get you ready to lay some brick.
Wait, I have to lay the brick?
Yeah, we'll get the wall spread and then you can lay some brick.
You trust me to do that?
Be part of this, yes.
Okay. I have a feeling you've done this before.
So you're buttering, that's buttering.
I'm buttering the bricks.
You're buttering the brick right there, right? So then you just tap it with the butt end, in and down, to line up with the string. See? There you go. So there's over 30,000 new brick on this building.
30,000 new brick.
Over 30,000, and the whole project of new brick. You've just laid.
I've laid two.
Three?
No, three.
30,000. 3 of 30,000.
I've done 3 of 30,000, and it's taken me an hour. Now, Colby's here with me. Tell me a little bit about the mulching that we do here at the university.
We use a bark blower, which is a piece of equipment behind us that we're going to show you how to demonstrate. You can use it today for us.
So do you think I can figure it out?
I hope so.
I do too. Okay. So show me how to use this thing.
Okay.
Let's do some mulching. I think every home needs one of these. How much mulch do we put down per year?
We're estimated annually about 1,400 yards a year of mulch.
Well, Colby, thank you for all the work you're doing to make this campus beautiful, not only in the summer here, but obviously in the winter as well. Thank you.
Thank you.
Tell me, what am I going to do here? Because I'm going to help you out.
All right, this is an automatic here.
Okay.
This is a custodian's best friend. It replaced the mop bucket, and it's just a great machine.
We're here with the Viper 6000. I'm going to turn it on. The fan.
Okay.
Whoa, it's noisy.
Okay,
And then I just push it.
yep, and once the water gets going,
Wow. And can you go too fast?
nope.
You have seen all the great work going on by our staff, getting ready for the freshman class, getting ready for the returning students. You know, the fall's going to be here before you know it. I better do my part. I've got to get to work. See you next month on the Rogers Report.